everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of trip.com. You will click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about trip.com. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.